Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this episode of How to Guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset the password of your PNC online banking. If this sounds helpful, give us a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming uploads. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. Firstly, open up a browser, then in the search bar type in pncbank.com. As soon as you do that, the website of PNC Bank will open. Now, to reset your password, click on the sign on button. Underneath the password option, you can see an option called forgot ID or password. Click on it. Next, you can see the various requirements that are needed for you to reset your password. First of all, you'll need a PNC user ID, your social security number or your tax identification number, your full PNC account number, or you'll need your personal debit card, PIN or your phone number that you use to create your PNC bank account. After you read these, you can click on the reset password. Now enter in your user ID. Then in the next step, you'll need to enter in your last 4 digits of your social security number or your tax identification number. Now you will need to enter your account number of the PNC bank account. You can also use the debit card or credit card number. Now after you fill in this information, click on the next button. After you do that, on the next page, you will be able to reset your password and create a new password. But before that, an OTP will be sent to your email address or your mobile number. You will need to enter that OTP, then only you will be able to reset the password of your PNC online banking. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video and found the video to be helpful. We will be soon back with more videos such like this, so make sure to stay notified every time we post.